Yeah, I'm back changing these brakes again. I'm heavy footed. Heavy footed on the way. These are my front brake pads. This is the back side. I only have bare minimum left on this side. The other side was worse. That's the front. This is the back where the piston is at. This the front. And that's bad. That's off the driver's side. And again, this the back side. This is where the piston is at. Nothing left on the front side. Very little left on that. So the back side actually ate up my rotor a little bit on this side. I clean the boots. I re-grease the boots. I re-grease the boots. So I know they're sliding properly right now. They didn't have the back ones in stock, so I'm just changing my front. I'm hoping the back ain't bad. But I'm gonna check them out as long as I'm done with these fronts. I gotta get a new caliper. I gotta get a new bolt for my bottom one so I can take this one off. But I'm just gonna clean everything up now. I'll use the brake cleaner. I'm gonna clean everything up and put this back together, put my piston in, clean the boots up on this side, and call it a day. And check the back ones.